Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortewada. In this video, we will learn about a pre-tag of HTML. So we saw some set of problems in paragraph in my previous video. Please watch that for better understanding. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. In this video, we will cover three things. One is what is pre-tag, and second thing is problems with paragraph tag, and how we can resolve that problem by using pre-tag. What is this pre-tag is it will preserve all your spaces as well as new lines. For example, in the paragraph I wrote something like I am paragraph and I clicked on spaces and let me hit on enter and I gave something like simple paragraph. And what happens with this is it will show everything in a single line. Let me go here and reload. You can see everything in a single line. So now whenever it is showing in a single line, so our expectation is like it should be in the first line with some spaces, and then the remaining content should come to the next line because I clicked on the enter. So what I can do is by using a pre-tag we can solve this problem. So for example, I used a pre-tag. What this pre-tag will do is it will use the content as it is along with the spaces along with the enter keywords. Let me go here and reload. You can see I am paragraph which is having a space. Let me highlight this. So if you see here, it has all the content like I am paragraph with some spaces and with other spaces because we are using a tab space over here. This is also a space which we have, and we are hitting enter till here. So the same thing it is shown over here. I am paragraph, some spaces, some tab space, sample paragraph, some space, hit enter, and some space with the pre-tag closed. So that's why it is showing exactly the same. So whenever you want to use you as it is with the spaces, with the tabs and everything, then you can use this pre-tag. So that's about your pre-tag, and this is the difference between your paragraph tag and p-tag. So in the upcoming video we will learn about horizontal tag and what is that horizontal tag, what is the purpose of horizontal tag, and how can we use that. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.